What's up, folks? Welcome back to the garage. This is my second Volvo with the leather seats, and the last one I drove with like 500,000 kilometers, little under 480 something. And now in this car, or actually in the last car, I remember that after 300,000 I discovered some wearing from the leathers, small areas that wasn't perfect, and now this car has 280,000, 290,000, so I thought that now it's a good time to clean and use some kind of conditioner on these seats to avoid any blind spots in the seats. And I found this is I think this is one of the cheapest out there in Finland, and this is Lux Leather Turtle Wax cleaner and conditioner, quick, easy, and that was the reason I bought it all in one, because I remember the last Volvo I used at least 3 different cans, cleaner, conditioner and some kind of other stuff, I don't remember, and it took a long time. So now I thought that this might be quite nice to at least test. This is cheap and good quality, doesn't come in the same package normally, but I have watched few YouTube videos that this turtle wax, it's not the worst thing in the market, so I give this a chance. And after the intro I will show you closer what kind of conditions the seats are, and we will read the instruction behind. At this point I'm using the turtle wax only in front seats. The co-driver's seat is a little bit in better condition, but you can see there's some kind of stripe going here and a few areas that need some conditioner. Here you can see also there's a few blind spots there. I don't know if this jeans or some kind of metal maybe have caused that kind of marks, but otherwise this seat is actually in quite good condition. And the other side, driver's seat, you can see there's a little more marks. There's some area. I hope the conditioner will take care of that. We will see that soon. And also in this side you can see the stripes, but the leather there is no holes, so not any big issues. But I hope that with that conditioner we can get some results. My setup here is quite simple. Actually I have to give a credit to this. This is my friend's company, Kemvit in Finland. They are making these glass and mirror surfaces cleaning. KW Professional Blue. I use this Volvo's windscreen inside and outside, and now it's crystal clear, which is nice. Actually, it was quite dirty. I'm using this. This is some kind of paper, but it's there's no English. Shine with turtle wax, yes, and but not English in this side. sorry. And I have water and this all-in-one turtle wax. It's for leather surfaces and for cleaning and conditioning. Triple action, saves times, non-greasy, which is nice. Interesting, this side there's English, but on the other side there's only Swedish, Norwegian, Denmark or Danish, Finnish and Polish, not Polish, Poland. Language, no English at all, but I will translate it. It's quite simple. It says that if this is only for this is not for all leather surfaces, not for clothes and shoes, but first shake the bottle, and if the surfaces are dirty, I should use moist fabric before using, and that's why I have water here. I will make sure that the seats are clean, or at least I'm using the water and fabric for that. Shake the bottle, make sure that this stuff is good for your seats. I'm using it in a small area first, and then put it on a clean fabric, and using this kind of movement, and let it dry max 1 to 2 minutes, and then shine lightly with the clean fabric. So I will put my camera on stand and you will see the Maestro in action. Now I have tested this in a small service here in the front of this seat, and you can see there's a slightly different, there's a darker and the lighter. The line is going there, well, I didn't know what to expect, but you can see there's still this line here, and I have treated this area twice. So that might not be any miracle maker, but I think I will treat both seats, and after that we can compare the videos after and before. It will be interesting to see if there's any change, and if there is no, I will buy something else. least my shirt is wet. Now I have treated both seats at least twice. Some parts are treated even three times. The co-driver's seat, first I treated the seat part twice and the support for the back, after that twice. The driver's seat I treated first the whole seat and right after the second time. So, and now the seats have been there like 10 minutes. And next I will show you the result. I will show you the video before and after, and I'll let you decide what do you think. So please comment down below. Did this turtle wax affect it like it should? And after the next clips I will tell you my own opinion. And now my own opinion. I have been sitting here next these seats for an hour, so it's even I don't know the difference yet. I will notice that closer when I'm editing this video, but at least they seems to be cleaner now. And when I check the fabric, at least the first time when I cleaned or was using the treatment, I noticed that dirt came out from the seat. So it's some kind of cleaner, but with the closer look you can see, I can at least see all the marks and scratches there was, so I don't see any big difference. The seat might be a little bit darker now, but I can see all the smallest scratches, and I don't actually know what you call this in leather, scratch or mark or something like that, but I can see all. So I don't see any big difference. I don't know if you, and I might have had too high expectations of this turtle wax, but I can see the seat here. I don't see any big difference. I hoped that at least some of these would have been disappeared, because I used quite a lot of that stuff, and at least 2 times. But I don't know. Please give me your comments down below, and I think I will use some kind of other conditioning for these seats. At least I think they deserve that. Now I let the seats dry for a while. I let the doors open and I have a heater, so I should have a quite good ventilation here, because I'm about to start for a short road trip and I don't want to find any spots from my trousers butt after that trip. All the scratches might disappear for a while, maybe, I don't know. But I was a little bit disappointed with that stuff. But if you have good suggestions, tips, how to treat the leather seats, please give me comments down below. I appreciate that a lot, and please give me a thumbs up and those comments. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet from some reason, now you should do it. So hit the sub button and also ring the bell. Thanks for watching and see you soon.